everyone, hope all is well and everybody's still staying safe, washing hands and all those. So today video is going to be on VYBZ KARTEL, and this was posted on his Instagram. I don't know if it's him or his handlers, but it stated last IG post until 2021. I think some clash thing is going on, but it's not going the way he thinks it should go. So this is what he put on him Instagram. Who would have thought dancehall artists would have become such metrosexual, emotional hashtag bitches in their feelings? Kartel won't leave me alone. Kartel bad mind me. That sound like artists? Or like a 10-year-old girl being bullied at school? But check the dancehall was testosterone driven, war world with inflated egos and hype attitude. But never know it's a world where you have to leave artists alone, make them strive, even though they all claim to be killers from birth and bad from them born. And by the way, none of them no big like Kartel locally or globally. So who bad mind? Who? From just bust me a war assassin and spragger one time, me a war my father bounty, me war the barber bitch. Cause that a dancer. Nothing personal, just music. But okay, I'll leave them to continue doing numbers. Oh shit, wait. I made a number. Shit mate. Brandon big up, and then he hashtag Brandon music view show, and then underneath that he did come back and him tag Idonia, Movado, Alkaline and Jamil and etc etc etc, and put look how long Kartel run dancehall. Stop me now. Bitches can't stop a lion. Alright, so the next video I'm gonna do is going to be in regards of Idonia replying to this, because after all him did tag Idonia. So let's see if that will be his last post on Instagram until 2021. All right.